electronic equipment repairers. These repairers, often called service technicians, install, maintain, and repair a wide variety of electronic equipment. Those who have completed formal training in electronics often go into the work of repairing home entertainment equipment, such as televisions, videotape recorders, and tape and CD players.
I got a 2-year degree through the Air Force in electronics, and then when I got out, I went directly into this field.
Others may specialize in repair of office machines, such as photocopiers, data processing equipment, computers, telephone systems, or cash registers. When equipment breaks down, they first examine work orders, which describe the problems, or talk directly to the customer.
I meet different people in different offices, so I'm always in different settings, and I really enjoy that.
They then repair or replace faulty parts, or make adjustments, such as aligning the record heads on a VCR, or correcting the color balance of a television set.
A lot of times the first thing that you do is, when you get something that's broken, is you verify the problem. You read what the customer is telling you is wrong with it, and you verify it. Once you verify it, then you break it down into blocks, and you, just because you have knowledge of how the machine works, you could kind of get a good feel for where the area is that's broke.
Many electronic repairs use voltmeters, ohm meters, signal generators, ammeters, and oscilloscopes to pinpoint the reason for the malfunction.
That's what the information looks like that's coming off the disc. And the more in focus that is, then the better the laser is.
They may refer to schematic drawings and manufacturer specifications that show connections and provide instruction on how to locate problems. After determining the source of the problem, they often need to prepare estimates to enable the customer to determine if it is cost-effective to do the repairs. It is particularly important that they be patient with customers who may be upset that their equipment is not working, and be able to clearly and politely answer their questions. Bench repairers work in electronic repair shops and service centers, or in stores that sell and service electronic products.
It was a little bit hard at first, but you catch on, you do the same thing over and over, and pretty soon you just get better at it.
Field repairers visit work sites to service equipment, such as photocopiers and communication system networks, which would be impractical or too large to bring into the repair shop.
If you like being responsible for your own day and being out with people, working with your hands, it's a good field to go into. I enjoy my work.
Their work includes performing preventive maintenance according to the manufacturer's recommended schedule, as well as repairing malfunctions and making adjustments.
I did an internship through the school that I went to, and after the internship they offered me employment. So it was right away. I finished school and went right into the field.
The work of most repairers involves lifting, reaching, stooping, and crawling. Following safety precautions is important to guard against work hazards, such as minor burns and electrical shock.
If you like working with small things, you like working with your hands, and you can understand math, and I think those are the main things.
Because of their familiarity with equipment, repairers are particularly well qualified to become salespeople for equipment manufacturers. The typical job duties include using meters and scopes to diagnose problems, preparing repair estimates, replacing defective circuit boards, and soldering together loose connections. The earnings vary widely by occupation and the type of equipment repaired. The averages range from $458 to $680 per week. Most employers prefer applicants who have graduated from high school and who have completed a formal training program in electronics. Training is offered in post-secondary vocational technical schools and junior and community colleges, and usually takes 1 to 2 years. The military services also offer formal training and work experience. It is also possible to learn through a formal apprenticeship sponsored by the employer or the local labor union. Newly hired repairers, even those with formal training, usually receive some on-the-job training from their employer. Certification is available after 4 years of experience. An associate-level test covering basic electronics is offered for students or repairers with less than 4 years of experience. The employment outlook is below average. Although the amount of equipment in use will grow, Lower prices for new equipment and improvements in overall reliability will result in less demand for repairs. The area of greatest growth will be for computer and office machine repairs, while the greatest decline will take place in the area of telephone installation and repair. For more information, you can write to the International Society of Certified Electronics Technicians, 2708 West Berry Street, Fort Worth, Texas, 76109.